How to improve WhatsApp's call quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily improve your WhatsApp's video call quality. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are on your WhatsApp, you just want to quickly try to call someone and check what kind of quality or the video call quality you have, and then go back. Then you're just going to have to tap on the three lines that you see on the top right corner and then head over to the settings menu. So you're going to have to tweak a bit of the settings from your call quality. So go ahead and tap on the storage and data option. Here you'll be able to see all of your mobile data and network settings. So if you want your media auto download, you could check right here, but right above that, you have this option use less data for calls. If this is turned on, then when you're on the mobile data and you're trying to call someone, then it will use less data, meaning your call quality will also be degraded. So make sure that this is toggled off like this, and then you're good to go. And if there are any proxy set up on your device, then make sure that you remove the proxy as well. And after doing this, your video call quality should significantly go up when you are on mobile data. But if you are on Wi-Fi, then you don't have to bother anything. You will get the best video call qualities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.